07, 08 SPX. We're looking for another hot box, and you've got it. Hot box.
Same ones too.
Strawberry. Al Jefferson. He went with his box number. What did you get? 4 or 5?
I think 4 on that one. I think. And there's 2 cards in that pack. Thanks, Upper Deck.
Jared Dudley. They put you a patch card in there. That's what it is. Numbered out of 25.
It would be Jared Dudley.
And Al Harrington. Next pack. Sean Williams. Javaris Creighton. Hopefully you get a nice triple auto or something. Freshman trip, Sean Williams. Jason Smith, something Tucker. Al Horton jersey. Marvin Williams, Josh Smith, Hawks duel.
Another white guy, so I know
and Peja jersey. Yeah, they do them every 10 boxes for basketball.
Sean May.
Gee, Sean May, that's a rare photo because he looks like he's playing. You don't see that too often.
Andrew Bynum, that's about the best one so far.
Andrew Bynum.
Another white guy, wow.
Got Wally.
Another white guy.
And got a Jason Smith, numbered 825. Kevin Durant jersey, Al Horton, dual.
Ron Artest.
And a Ron Artest jersey. Come on, Upper Deck, put a big one in. You should get you another rookie auto jersey, I would think. Artest and Bibby, dual. And Corey Brewer. Aaron Brooks jersey.
Thanks, Upper Deck.
A DJ Strawberry number to 825 jersey auto. This is what he got out. Best hit would probably be that Durant Al Horton duel.
Same thing on my last hot box.
Maybe the patch card of Jared Dudley.